Looking for a blender that delivers power and precision without the bulk? The Oster Crush Pro Blender offers 450 blending watts and a sharp 4-blade stainless steel design that crushes ice and purees ingredients smoothly every time. Whether you're whipping up fruit smoothies, frozen margaritas, or pureed soups, this blender handles it all with ease and style. What makes the Crush Pro stand out is its combination of performance and durability. It features an exclusive all-metal drive system, meaning the parts connecting the motor to the blades are made entirely of metal, not plastic, ensuring long-lasting strength and reliability. The 5-cup Boroclass glass jar resists scratches and can go straight into the dishwasher, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Plus, the 2-ounce filler cap with built-in measuring marks lets you add ingredients mid-blend without stopping the machine. With 16 speeds to choose from, including pulse, puree, ice crush, shred, and more, you get full control over your blending tasks. The user-friendly push-button panel lets you select the perfect setting for whatever recipe you're tackling. And with a compact footprint measuring just about 8 3/5 by 10 1/5 by 14 inches, it fits comfortably on your countertop, ready whenever inspiration strikes. One satisfied user replaced a bulky, heavy blender with the Oster Crush Pro and hasn't looked back. They highlight how much lighter and quieter it is, making it easier on arthritic hands and perfect for daily use. It's big enough for generous smoothies, handling 2+ cups of frozen fruit, yogurt, and 3 cups of liquid, and versatile enough to use with small mason jars for grinding or pureeing smaller ingredients. That flexibility adds real value for anyone who wants a blender that adapts to their needs. If you're tired of blenders that are difficult to clean, too loud, or just don't last, the Oster Crush Pro deserves a look. It balances power, precision, and ease of use in a sleek package that fits seamlessly into your kitchen routine. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a home cook, or someone who enjoys entertaining with fresh cocktails and dips, this blender makes those tasks simpler and more enjoyable. Worth a look if you want a blender that's built to last and easy to maintain. The Oster Crush Pro's combination of a powerful motor, durable metal drive, and dishwasher-safe glass jar means you get dependable performance day after day. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your blending game without fuss or frustration.